Good afternoon guys, welcome to BG Tactical. So today mag-unbox tayo ng GLOCK 19X black version Gen 5. So ito, what's in the box? So manual, unit, tapos mag, and mga extra hand grips. So ito yung unit, actual unit, yung GLOCK 19X Gen 5 black color. So WE brand siya, gas blowback pistol, made in Taiwan. So metal slide, polymer body, just like the real steel of the GLOCK 19. So markings, not accurate markings for WE. So plain lang siya, wala siyang markings for the GLOCK. So the WE insignia here. So paglalagay ng gas, tapat nyo lang yung nozzle and count mga 10 seconds. So ito, since wala siyang bala, magsa-slide lock siya. Automatic slide lock. Release lang yung mag. Then slide stopper. Rest the hammer. Okay.